Tired of dropping your phone or struggling to prop it up? Meet the Pop Sockets phone grip with expanding kickstand in black, your new must-have accessory. Don't miss out. Grab yours today. Click the link in the video description to shop now on Amazon.
Welcome to Electro Drive News, your go-to source for all things electric vehicle technology. I'm your host, and today we're talking about a story that's got everyone buzzing in the EV community. Imagine you've just bought an electric vehicle, excited to hit the road and enjoy the benefits of zero tailpipe emissions. But then, you start noticing that your car isn't holding up as well as you expected. The battery is degrading faster than usual, reducing its range and overall performance. This is a common issue in the EV world, but a recent video by YouTuber RSEV has shed some light on just how much of a difference it can make. In this incredible side-by-side comparison, we see two Tesla Model 3s with very different mileage stories. One car has clocked over 200,000 miles in 3 years, while the other has barely hit 3,000 miles. But what's surprising is that despite the heavy use, the battery on the heavily driven car still boasts an impressive 88.5% capacity, with over 300 miles of range available. On the other hand, the lightly used Model 3 shows a pristine 99.5% capacity, with its full charge still showing 326 miles of range, essentially the same as new. This is a stark contrast to what we might expect from an EV battery that's been driven for such a long time. According to Car and Driver, most Tesla drivers can expect sharper battery degradation during the car's first 20,000 miles driven. But in this case, it seems like the battery has stabilized after just over 2 decades of use. Now, you might be wondering what this means for EV sales. Unfortunately, the struggles that Tesla has faced in recent times are well documented, with many customers turning away from the brand due to CEO Elon Musk's political activities. However, a story like this one could potentially help change that narrative. Electric vehicle batteries have come a long way since the early days of cars like the Nissan Leaf. While those models were often criticized for their limited range and battery degradation, advancements in battery chemistry and manufacturing processes have made EVs more cost-effective over time. This is great news not just for car buyers, but also for the environment, as EVs produce zero tailpipe pollution. So what do you think about Tesla and Elon Musk? Do you love the company, or do you hate the CEO? Share your thoughts with us on social media using the hashtag ElectroDriveNews. And if you're considering buying an electric vehicle, now might be a great time to make that move. With options like the EV6 and other models hitting the market, you'll have more choices than ever before. That's all for today's episode of ElectroDrive News. Join us next time as we explore the latest developments in the world of electric vehicles.